Okay, so how to minimize your reaction time while braking? This is my motorcycle. So whenever जब भी आप throttle को पकड़ते हो, so do not just keep your hands like this, like in this position. Okay, it should be your one or two fingers should always be on the brake. तो ये क्या होगा, ये जो यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचने का जो reaction time है, it reduces a lot. Okay, ये fraction of time भी बहुत important होता है when while braking. So always keep one or two fingers on your front brakes. Thank you so much.